This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering what you need and acting immediately. You want the pan hot and a little soapy water in it. This loosens proteins and caramelized sugars. Use a wooden spatula or non-abrasive scrub to remove soft debris now, because scraping while warm prevents gouging. Once you have removed loose food, pour out greasy water and inspect for stubborn residue. Make sure to keep the pan warm, not scalding, so the next cleaning step will work efficiently. Once the easy debris is gone, deglaze the pan by adding about 1/2 inch of water and bringing it to a simmer. The steam and bubbling will lift brown bits, so you can scrape them away with a wooden or silicone tool. For darker or burn spots, make a paste of 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water and apply. Baking soda raises pH and gently abrades without chemical harm. Make sure to scrub in a circular motion until you see the metal's shine return. You finish by rinsing all residues, then drying immediately to avoid water spots and corrosion. Towel dry or place the pan briefly in a low oven to evaporate moisture. Once dry, rub a few drops of neutral oil on the cooking surface to restore luster and protect against future sticking. If you see rainbow discoloration, rinse with a 1:1 vinegar solution to neutralize minerals. If rust shows, scrub with lemon juice and salt. Then re-season.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.